Uh, in this video, I am going to discuss inheritance of two genes. Inheritance of two genes, which is also called dihybrid cross. In pea plant, round seeds are dominant over wrinkled seeds. Yellow seeds are dominant over green seeds. So at a time when we are studying two characters, it comes under a dihybrid cross. Round yellow seeds, wrinkled green seeds. Capital R, capital Y is a gamete. Small r, small y is a gamete. Capital R, capital Y is a F1. In the F1, the dominant characters are expressed. They are rounded yellow seeds. You got rounded yellow seeds. On selfing, we are getting F2 generation, selfing. So you are making a cross with capital R, capital Y, small y. How many types of gametes you are getting here? Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Four types of gametes you are getting. Here also you are getting the same four types of gametes. The same four types of gametes. Now, when you go for F2 progeny, we are getting four types of gametes. I have given you those four types of gametes from a female parent as well as a male parent. You are getting four types of gametes. Now you see capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Don't go like this. Now you see capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these 9, they are of round and yellow. You got a total 9 plants. You got total 9 plants. In these 9 plants, this is capital R, capital Y. That is one type of genotype. This genotype both are same. Capital R, capital Y, small y. You got with that genotype 2 plants. This genotype both are same. Capital R, capital Y, you got 2 plants. Capital R, capital Y, small y, you got 4 plants. So total round and yellow, there are 9 plants with 4 different types of genotypes. Phenotype is round and yellow, but This is one type of genotype, this is another type, this is another type, this is another type. With this genotype, only one plant. With this genotype, you got two plants. With this genotype, you got two plants. With this genotype, you got four plants. Now let us see the other one. Capital R, small y, small y. Capital R, small y, small y. Capital R, small y, small y. That is another type of expression phenotypes. Those are round and green seeds. There are three plants. Round and green seeds. There are three plants. This is one genotype. Capital R, small y. That is one genotype, one plant. Capital R, small y. This is another genotype. You got two plants. So there are two genotypes, three plants in that case. Now let us see one more type. In this one more type, small r, small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small y. And these three plants are wrinkled and yellow plants. You got three plants. Wrinkled and yellow plants, you got three. How many genotypes? Small r, capital Y. That is one plant. Small r, capital Y, small y. There are two plants. And finally, there is only one plant, that is small r, small y. That is wrinkled and green. Small r, small y. One genotype and one plant only. So how many phenotypes you got? Round and yellow, round and green, wrinkled and yellow, wrinkled and green. You got four phenotypes. The phenotypic ratio F2, dihybrid F2 phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. 9:3:3:1 phenotypically. And in this, these 9 plants, parental type. This is parental type. These two are recombinants. This round and green, wrinkled and yellow, they are the new combinations you have seen in the F2 only. Recombinations. Coming to the Genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio in round and delta 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4. 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4. In round and green, 1 is to 2. 1 with this genotype, capital R, small y. 2 plants are with capital R, small y. 1 is to 2. And the wrinkled and yellow also 3 plants with 2 genotypes. 1 is to 2. And this is only 1, wrinkled and green 1. So what is the genotypic ratio? 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, finally 1. 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It is easy to remember and important to remember. How many genotypes are there in round and yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. How many plants are there in round and yellow? 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, 9. How many genotypes are there round and green? 2 genotypes. How many plants are there? 3 plants. How many genotypes are present in wrinkled and yellow? 2 genotypes. How many plants? 3 plants. Wrinkled and green both are recessive. Only 1 plant. So phenotypic ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Genotypic ratio 1 to 2, 4, 1 to 1 to 1. This is a dihybrid outcome. Okay? The same presentation in a precise manner we can present. You see this? Capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, small y, small y. Capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, small y, small y. Capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, small y, small y. Now, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Capital R, capital R, small y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, small y, small y. Small r, capital Y, capital Y. Small r, capital Y, small y. Small r, small y, small y. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 genotypes. Coming to the number of plants. 1, 2, 1. 2, 4, 2. 1, 2, 1. So coming to the genotypes. Genotypes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 genotypes. Number of plants 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 4 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 2 plus 1, total 16 plants. 16 plants. So while you are solving any problems suddenly, so you need not put always like this. You can go like this, and very easy to present it, very easy to recollect it, the things. Now here one important point. You please see. In this case, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the common point? Capital R homozygous, capital Y homozygous. Capital R homozygous, small y homozygous. Small r homozygous, capital Y homozygous. Small r, small y, both are homozygous. So these are said to be double homozygous. Homozygous. For both the characters they are homozygous. Double homozygous. Out of 16 plants, 4 are double homozygous. 4 are double homozygous. In this board, where there are, double homozygous. These 4 are double homozygous. Double homozygous. How many double homozygous genotypes are there? 4. Double homozygous, double dominant. Double homozygous, double recessive. Both are homozygous, but double recessive. Double homozygous, double dominant. Double homozygous, dominant for one character only. The other one is recessive. Double homozygous, double dominant 1. Double homozygous, double recessive 1. Homozygous for one dominant and one recessive, you got 2 genotypes. So the way in which they are asking you, carefully you have to read and you have to tell. When I am asking the total double homozygous, there are 4 genotypes. Double dominant 1, double recessive 1, one dominant, one recessive, we get 2. Next, come to this case. Double heterozygous, capital R small r, capital Y small y. Heterozygous, double heterozygous. These are all double heterozygous. Double heterozygous, 4 plants. Double homozygous 4 plants, double heterozygous 4 plants. But here, if you consider genotypes, 4 genotypes, it is 1 genotype only. Double heterozygous, only 1 genotype, 4 plants. And let us see the remaining cases. In the remaining cases, if you see, one dominant homozygous and the other one is dominant but heterozygous. These 2 are very same. Capital R, capital Y, small y. Same genotypes. 2 plants. Capital R, small r, capital Y. Capital R, small r, capital Y. Same genotypes. 2 plants. Capital R, small y. Capital R, small y. Same genotypes, 2 plants. Small r, capital Y, small y. Small r, capital Y, small y. Same genotypes, 2 plants. 1, 1, 1, 1. Double homozygous. Double homozygous. 4. Double heterozygous. 1 homozygous, 1 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 heterozygous. Eight plants, 4 genotypes. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. Double homozygous. 4 double heterozygous. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 for homozygous, 1 for heterozygous. I repeat, it is easy to remember. 1, 1, 1, 1. Double homozygous. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 homozygous, 1 heterozygous. 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 Right? In descriptive questions, problems when they're asking, you must be carefully, you have to say whether they're asking about the double homozygous, double heterozygous, homozygous for one, heterozygous for one. Like that, you have to read carefully and you have to conclude.